That's okay. There you go. Hi guys, magandang araw ulit. In this video, I will be doing pour painting again. So today I'm gonna be using color red, blue, turquoise, and white. These are my 4 favorite colors. Yeah, so I already pre-mixed this paint, but guys, I will be putting a link below in a separate video kung paano ko siya minix. In my previous video, I think I've explained it to you how I made this. It is only 1 part of glue and then 1 part of water. You just mix it and that would be your medium, and once you have that, you can add paint to it. So parang hanggang dito lang yung medium na ginawa ko, guys, and then I just, you know, added acrylic paint konti, depende kung gaano, you know, ka-rich yung kulay na gusto mo. So I'm pretty much happy with this red. So I have been mixing this for a while kasi marami pa rin siyang lumps. You see, yung viscosity niya hindi siya gaanong karani, and what we want is, you know, yung runny siya na continuous at saka wala masyadong lump, and I can still see lumps in there. So we just have to make sure that we stir it thoroughly. Same thing here sa blue. I think blue is good. And if you see na medyo thick pa siya masyado at hindi pa siya masyadong runny, just keep adding water to it and that should be fine. And also guys, yung gagawin nating painting is not for ang gagawin nating painting is not archival pieces. So because I'm only using cheap acrylic. So if you decide to sell your paintings, I suggest to buy premium artist grade acrylic paintings. I mean acrylic paint. Yeah. So I think I'm ready to start pouring. Let me just remove this. I'm just gonna put this right here. Alright. So here's the fun part, guys. So when it comes to acrylic pouring, what I found out is that, based on my experience, what I found out is that there is no rules to it, you know. You just pour however you want to pour it. There is no proper way, I guess. I mean, when I was doing my research about it, I mean, there are ways on how to do it, but you know, sometimes when you're doing abstract paintings like this or fluid painting like this, you know, you just have to go with the flow and you just do what you think is right. So there's no right or wrong to this process, you know. You just have to have fun and just go with what you're feeling. So right now I'm feeling like I want to have plenty of reds in there, so there you go. There you go. That's a very rich red. There you go. Then I think I'm gonna add the blues. So guys, huwag masyadong matipid, ha. Go. turquoise. And then the white. Oops. Like I said, guys, there's no rules for it. There's no, I guess, proper way of doing it. Just go with the flow. As long as you have the right consistency and the right medium to use, I think you're all good. You can pour it however you want. So there you go. So now the fun part begins. So after you have all the, poured all the paintings however you want to pour it, now all you have to do is just swivel it or just move it side by side. Now I know there's gonna be a lot of paint that's gonna be dripping, but that's okay. go. There you go, guys. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that it is best that you have gloves with you. Kasi hindi siya gaanong ano. There you go. Oh my god, that looks looking good already. Guess you just have to play with it, you know. And sometimes guys, you can use a torch. Oh wait. If I know how to operate this. I forgot how to operate this. There you go. I have to pull this down right here. Just push it. So guys, merong technique na cells yung tinatawag nila. If you want cells on your fluid art, now what it does is that it creates, you know, circles na tinatawag nilang cells. So it would seems like it's starting to look like it's a marble. Looking painting. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's starting to have cells. There you go. There you go. So one of the things that I'm having trouble is that sometimes I don't know when to stop. You know, a lot of my friends are telling me that less is more, and or you know, don't overdo it, because sometimes I feel like I could do something but it turned out na hindi pala siya ganun kaganda yung kalalabasan. So yeah, just trust your gut. If you feel like it's good, it's good. And there you have it, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope you try it too. And then please do send me a reply or comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, okay? Thank you. And I hope to hear from you guys from the comments below. So, thank you.